so you've heard a lot about a religious exemption, right? So what exactly is that? How does it work? Who's eligible? News 12's Eileen LaPalmer takes a closer look as we continue our team coverage.
I'm not against anybody's choice.
Natalie Camp works at the Peconic Bay Medical Center. She is Catholic and says she applied for, but was denied a religious exemption to the COVID-19 vaccine mandate.
I wrote in my heart my beliefs, and if they denied it.
A U.S. District Court judge has implemented a temporary restraining order protecting healthcare workers who have a religious exemption from being fired until at least October 12th.
We're getting a ton of calls.
Labor and employment attorney John Bell says people seeking a religious exemption need to do it immediately.
You definitely want to put it in writing and say I have a bona fide religious belief that prevents me from getting the vaccine, and I'll provide you the proper paperwork and answer any questions you might have.
Bell says you do not have to be part of an organized religion nor agree with your religious leaders to request a religious exemption.
The First Amendment protects freedom of religion and exercise of religion.
But he says getting that religious exemption will not be easy.
As soon as the employer establishes that this person had other types of vaccinations or had their children take certain vaccinations, that's going to take them without that accommodation.
But Rita Palma with My Kids, My Choice says that's not true. She cites 1987 case law where a parent who vaccinated a child in the past had a change of heart.
There are thousands of different reasons why people change their actions regarding their religious beliefs. So to say that it's difficult to prove, well, I think it's difficult to disprove. So I would contend, how can you disprove that it is against my religious belief?
The decision now in the hands of that federal judge. Eileen LaPalmer, News 12, Long Island.
Well, state officials who are opposed to the religious exemption for the COVID-19 vaccine say the state already has vaccine mandates for measles and rubella with no exemptions. So do you think there should be religious exemptions to the COVID-19 vaccine mandate? See the results here. Nearly 57% of you say no, about 37% say yes, almost 6% not sure. Let us know what you think. The poll is live right now on the News 12 Long Island Twitter page.